Welcome to Planting Joy Garden. I wanted to take a moment to talk about heirloom seeds. You see, heirloom seeds is a taste of history. Seeds are living history. They contain the history of the plant, the record of the seasons, and even a record of the soil and the climate that they grew in. So heirloom seeds are so important to us as gardeners, and I just want to reflect on that for just a moment. To be designated as an heirloom seed, that seed variety had to be in existence for 50 years. And that variety is consistent, which means that when you plant that seed, you're getting the desired produce, the desired plant. You see, heirloom seeds are open pollinated, which means that they were pollinated naturally by insects, birds, and the wind. Heirloom seeds produce new plants that are true to type, which means it resembles its parent. When you plant an heirloom seed, you know what you're getting. There's never any surprises. Hybrids that occur naturally through cross-pollination from insects, birds, butterflies, although not created in a lab, the same thing holds true. You may end up with a plant that's different from its parents. But when it's heirlooms and you use heirloom seeds, you're guaranteed to get the same plant. And the best example I have is this cherry tomato. So this is the child. My parent plant dropped seeds into my mulch, and I have a new volunteer growing here. And it's exactly the same as its parent, which is growing over here. And you can see here where a few pieces of fruit have dropped. If left, they will drop seeds and the seeds will create new plants. Here is another example. I have my heirloom spinach seeds. These were planted out. If these seeds drop, I will grow the identical variety of spinach. Now let's discuss why heirloom varieties are so important to us as gardeners. Dependable flavor and nutrition is the best reason to grow with heirloom seeds. When we collect seeds from our plants, we always choose the heartiest, best tasting variety. So when we save those seeds, we are creating a reproducible flavor and the best possible growing conditions from seeds that we have tested over time. Because you are saving heirloom seeds, you're saving true seeds, which means that you can regrow your own plant. You can use your own seeds, and they are perfectly adapted to your local climate and your local soil conditions. Heirloom seeds guarantee biodiversity. Because they're open pollinated by the wind, birds, and insects, we know that the full genetic code of any particular plant is left intact, and that plant can express itself to the fullest with all of the genetic history gathered over hundreds and thousands of years in all kind of climates, all kind of soil pH. So the full genetic potential of the plant is preserved by gardeners when you plant heirloom seeds. As gardeners, I would encourage us all to start growing and sowing some heirloom seeds. You're doing more than just growing foods and flowers in your garden. You are actually safeguarding agricultural history, and you're protecting the biodiversity of our world. You're ensuring that those special species of plants and vegetables that have existed for hundreds and thousands of years, that they are not removed from the face of the earth. So start planting at least some heirloom varieties and sowing some heirloom seeds in your garden. Nature is depending on us. Have a wonderful day. If anything in this video has been educational or inspiring, I welcome you to hit the like button and to subscribe.